Welcome to this custom-built, single-level Garrett home. Ideally located in a truly serene setting, just minutes from historical downtown St. Helens. Enjoy spectacular mountain views and quiet country living, while also close to restaurants, shops, and the Scappoose Marina for boating and kayaking. The covered front porch invites you inside, where you'll discover a beautifully crafted interior where no detail is overlooked, from the wall of windows to the floor-to-ceiling cozy fireplace. The spacious entertainer's kitchen features granite counters, double wall ovens, stainless appliances including a propane gas cooktop and a pantry. An elegant butler's pantry and formal dining room with cove ceilings is perfect for gatherings with friends and family. Double doors open to the large office. Enjoy mountain views from your tranquil master ensuite. Or unwind in the beautiful custom bath that leads into a 10 by 11 foot walk-in closet. This home of more than 2,900 square feet features 2 more large bedrooms and another full bath. Even the garage is pristine with gorgeous flooring and storage. Multiple outdoor spaces are ready for making memories. Savor warm summer nights on the patio or by the fire pit while taking in views of Mount St. Helens, Rainier, and Mount Hood. If you're dreaming of a shop, look no further. The 30 by 65 foot shop features concrete floors, a second level of additional storage, and 3 14-foot bay doors. There's even space for a custom accessory dwelling unit up to 1,200 square feet. An exceptional home and property. You'll find it all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Pam Irish with Premier Property Group at 503-537-7221.